Hello, my name is Muhammad Harisaki bin Azmin. My matrix number is 10DTK18F1057. So in this database, I'm going to show you the database that we made for a shop. So in this database, we make 3 forms. Let me just put that blank: a worker, a customer, and a product. So now, before I'm showing this, I'm going to show you the products. So I already set 2 products, and the way we can set this product is by putting input into our form. So I'm set the simple kasih, which is on 12 ringgit. So you can see in the product is 12 ringgit. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the worker. So I'm gonna set the worker ID for 1102. And this I'm gonna put a random name. So for example, I could put I'm gonna put Mike Jefferson, for example. I'm sorry, Mike Jefferson. Phone number is can be anything. I'm just gonna set the phone number. Okay, I'm gonna set the address. So the address, I'm gonna put something similar to my address again. So I'm just gonna set. Okay, we're gonna set I'm gonna set the zip code, which is 1100. The city will be Penang, because that's where I set places. So the product ID. So again, this is the product that the shops is selling: Sipo Kasih and Cropot Biscuit. But if you want more product, you can just input it in the form. You can just make a new blank slate and then input it. So for this, I'm just gonna save this data. I'm just gonna make him sell the Sipo Kasih A101, and next. So if you see in the customer, in the worker, which is the worker. So if you see the worker database, as you can see, it's Mike Jefferson. It's a new worker that I already set: Mike Jefferson 1102, the phone number, the flat. So the one under it is the one that I already input. I input Joe Michael, and then I input my names. And just to show you the example for the phone number, it can be a number that is close together. You can put a space in the middle, or you can put the normal, what do you call it, this the phone numbers slash. So you can see that the input has already been done. So this is worker ID 1102, the name Mike Jefferson, the worker phone, worker address, this address state, the city again, and this is the product ID, which was 01. So now I'm going to show you the customer. So I already set one customer. Okay, and of course it's just the same. I can make a new one. I can just put input. So I'm just gonna put Kamal. I'm gonna put the phone number. It can be anything. Just giving you an example. The address, I could put Kampung Layar. The zip code, again, this is just an example. The city is, well, it's gonna be Penang, or you just gonna put it in Kedah, anywhere you want. So this is the product ID, which means what's the customer gonna buy. So for example, is they're buying the Simple Kasih, the A101. For number purchase, how much you gonna buy. So example, you're gonna buy 10 of it. Okay, and you just save it, And if you open back the customer, you can see Ali Bakar, the phone number, Kampung Layar. So James Webster is the one that I already made as an example. Kedah A10 and the number of purchase. So what if you input the wrong data? What if you just the worker, you want to change a data in the worker, so you want uh, the worker, the Mike Jefferson or the John Michael's number phone to change, or the address. So what you can do is you can go back to the worker, you can find its form, so John Michael. So you want to change it, you can just change the phone number, you can put a slash, you can put 0, you can change the address, and after finish you just save it. So if you open back the worker, yes, yes, as you can see it's already changed. You have the slash, I change it to B1030 and it's changed. So this is the database that we built. Of course, the database you can design for it to look a lot more better, but this is the result. And thank you. So if you want the new blank, you can just click the new blank records, and now you have a new form. So you can insert the data, you can put a new product, a customer, and the worker. Thank you. For this database, you can also get yourself a report. So you can see it's generate the report in this kind of form. This is about James Emerson. This is the customer report. So you can see James Emerson, Ali Bakar bin Kamal. It's just like in the customer, Ali Bakar and James Emerson. This is the report for product, which is the same as the product. And this is the report for the worker. Let me check. John Michael and Mike Jefferson. So you can see, yes, Muhammad Aris, John Michael, Mike Jefferson. Okay, so let's put the first input that you put to the top part first. So it's been sorted by the date you input your data. So this is why my name is first, because it's the first one I input. You can see, so it's on the top. So this is the report, the report for product and report for customer.